Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn WebSockets, HTTP polling and server sent events. So first one, that is HTTP polling. How it works. Client repeatedly asks the server, do you have the new data? At intervals like 2 seconds or something else, timer. So what are the pros of this? Easy to implement, no doubt. Works everywhere, just HTTP. What are the cons? Waste resources, many unnecessary requests. Higher latency depends on the polling interval, not scalable for the large apps. Example use cases, simple apps where real time isn't critical. Example, checking the notifications every 10 seconds. So this is not feasible at that moment. Servers and events, what exactly they are? Server can push message to the client over a single long-lived HTTP connection. Only one way, server to client. Pros, lightweight and efficient compared to the polling. Simple API, even source in browsers. Great for the news feeds, stock prices, and the dashboards. Cons, only support server, client communication. Limited browser support in older versions, not binary, not text-based messages. Example use cases like live score updates, notifications, news feeds. Okay, so there we are using. WebSockets. How it works, creates a full duplex, that means two-way connection between the client and the server. Both can send the data anytime. Pros, real time, low latency. Two-way communication supports text and the binary data like the WhatsApp. Scales well for the chat, gaming, and the IoT. What are the cons? More complex than the polling and SSE. Obviously, requires WebSocket server support. Proxies and the firewall sometimes blocks. Example use cases, we have chat apps, multiplayer games, collaborative editing, Google Docs, stock trading apps. Okay, so all these are made up of the WebSockets. Okay, so let's take a brief summary what exactly they are. Okay, so first one, that is feature direction. HTTP polling is client server, so request and the response. Server sent events, server client push only. Okay, WebSockets, two-way communication. Efficiency low, high, and the high. Latency depends on the interval, like 2 seconds, whatever you are setting for the polling. And as server sent events, they have the no, they have low. Okay, they have the low latency, and for the WebSockets, again, it's very low. Binary data, no, in the HTTP polling. Server send, no, only text. For the WebSockets, yes, both. Browser support, all. Most modern, not Internet Explorer. WebSockets, all modern. Best use case, basic updates, like the you are getting the API, and if you think that the basic updates, you mean say that the 2 seconds, 4 seconds, but it's not feasible that every time you're calling the API every time, so it consumes the bandwidth of the server. Server sent events, feeds, and the notifications, like news feeds, like server send the notifications to the whatever the users they have. Okay, WebSockets, that is use cases would be the chats, games, IoT. Hope you understand what exactly polling, server sent events, and the WebSockets. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.